What's up, guys? It's Monday. Just kidding. It's Tuesday. We feel like it's Monday.
It never feels like Monday. Welcome back.
Welcome back.
I wasn't here yesterday.
No, I mean, it was a day off, so you're going to have
I
that.
was laying in bed and drinking beer.
On
Happy Labor Day.
Labor Day?
Yeah.
Still laying in bed drinking beer. Yeah, so it's YZ250 time, and I'm pretty pumped for this. You guys have been waiting for a while. A lot of you thought that this bike became a big wheel when we posted the other one, but that was a completely different bike. This is a brand new 2021. So I just want to show you a little upgrade we're doing for these now. So we have full custom aluminum box now set up for the YZ boot. This goes right here, hooks right up to the box. A lot of guys have been waiting for this. So on the old kits, we basically used to just use the YZ250 airbox. We cut them up and run this air boot on it. We're not doing that anymore. No more cutting, no more haggering stuff apart, other than the plastic, of course. But we're trying to make these kits easier as we progress. And Drew spent some time about a week ago and getting this thing all designed and done. So this will be the first bike that it goes on, and we're gonna test it out and see how it fits. And it's gonna go on our website soon. So let's get into the build. All right, guys, little update on the thumb throttle kit for the YZ. So we've got John running the lathe right now. He's actually going to be designing this piece right here. We're going to be making a whole new one that's going to slip onto this cable, which you're going to have adjustment here, adjustment right here, and of course adjustment right here. So I'm going to thread this in just a little bit, feel for the free play. It's pretty simple. You always want to have just a little bit right there. And if you need to make any more adjustments here, let's say you run out of slack, you can basically go right here. Well, you can see we already have this one pulled out a little bit, got that one right there. Boot goes on, that's gonna get snugged down with some pliers. You just want a little bit of free play on your thumb throttle kit. So make sure that thing is operating correctly. You can watch the back of the slide. And if you don't have enough tightness to your cable, the slide's not going to open all the way. So make sure you have it just tight enough where there's a little bit of free play and it's opening the throttle all the way. Another cool feature on this build being that we're actually converting the colors completely over. Can't run a blue gas tank when you're trying to go basically all black on the chassis and custom graphics. So got a hold of Clark. They sent us a gas tank and it's black, which is awesome because again, blue was not going to fit the build. Everything looks good on this. I haven't tried installing it yet, but I'm pretty excited to try this. And yeah, so you're gonna take all the mounting hardware off the other tank, petcock, everything's basically gonna be transferred to this gas tank. Then we're gonna get this thing installed on the bike. So anytime you buy a tank like this, it doesn't matter who you buy it from. It could be any other company. There's gonna be plastic particles in it from the manufacturing process when they cut the holes and do whatever. But Clark was nice enough to let us know. Where does it say?
There may be some plastic shavings up in the tank. Use compressed air to blow out the tank. You also want to rinse it out with some fuel.
So I'm gonna definitely just rinse it out. But you can see right away, peeled this off. I already see the plastic stuck to it. So yeah, let's do the old compressed air trick. Let's see if this even fits. So it's a pretty good burr right there. So we're gonna take a deburring tool. We're gonna get that out of there. Then we're gonna blow that out and get all the mounts installed on this thing. Go from there. Hello? Hello? Anybody home? Smells like fresh plastic.
Oh, gross.
Yep.
It smells weird.
You're gonna have all that in the manufacturing process.
Yeah. Smells like a two-stroke pipe.
Yeah, it does. It smells like a burnt two-stroke pipe already, even though it's brand new.
We'll have that.
Welcome back, Alex.
Welcome back.
So, just went into the office, found the seat cover. I love Forworks. Built some awesome stuff. Give you guys a little preview of the color scheme here. We got a lot of yellow going on this bike. Yeah, time to get this installed in the seat pan. So he's getting the air box in, getting that all set up. And I'm gonna get the bottom of the seat cut so it fits right here. It'll actually line up to the stock post. So the Yamaha is real simple. Real simple. All you're gonna do is literally these two tabs right here. We're gonna cut those off, and that's it for the mods in the seat pan. Everything else is basically gonna work on our subframe. And let's get to it. Tool of choice for this guy right here. Man, this thing's looking cool. Now, I'm sorry I jumped ahead. Alex went away to lunch. I was too excited. I had to get the plastic on this thing, get the seat installed, and just see how it fit. This thing's sick. This thing's sick. You can kind of see the color scheme we're choosing for this build. So, yellow and black. That's pretty much it, guys. It's gonna be a freaking bumblebee when we're done. Not really, but yeah. So this customer's from Dubai. We got customers all over the world, and he ordered 2 of these. We're actually still waiting on his second bike. That's due in any day. Been waiting for a few months now for the second bike. So we originally had 2 reserved at the local dealership, and it got sold out from under us. One of them did, but you're gonna have that. Shit happens, and they found us another bike. So when that's in, that one's getting a completely different build. But anyway, guys, this thing, it's looking sick. So I'm gonna turn the camera around. We're gonna do a little walk around and at least show you where we're at for now. All right, guys, so again, 2021 YZ250 2-stroke. It's awesome to keep the 2 strokes going. This is literally the modern day 250R trike in a way. I mean, you can't get a new CR 250. You gotta just rebuild used ones. This is a brand new bike, so if you want a brand new 2-stroke, you're literally stuck going with Yamaha, KTM, Husky, or one of those other brands that's still making them. So I just got the plastic rested on here for now. None of the mounts are hooked up. I'm just doing a quick little mock-up and see what I'm gonna do for filling gaps and trimming, all the fun stuff. Thumb throttle kit's hooked up. So Alex went through and made sure all that was good. And yeah, guys, we got our billet hub on there, powder coated yellow. Got some bead locks with the yellow rings, went with the yellow back hubs. Of course, Forworks basically hooked us up with this, got this design going for us. Looks really cool. It's not over the top. I mean, it's not too crazy, but it definitely looks sick. Exhaust has already been modified. I know a lot of you guys were asking about that. So we basically just cut the mid pipe. If you want to check out my KTM video, I showed how to do that. It's the exact same process between the 2 bikes. Got the billet sprocket guard on here. Billet anti-fade nut that we make, of course, with our billet protection on the disc. Of course, our swing arm, full subframe assembly. Got the airbox on there. Everything fit real good. Real happy with it. Got to get the front number plate on here and all that fun stuff. Yeah, this thing's looking sick. The wife is currently finishing the graphics kit, so she's gonna be getting that stuff printed out later today and installed. I am super happy and super pumped to get this thing together. It's been sitting for a little while. I've just been basically waiting on getting the rest of the parts in for it, and we're finally ready to get this thing done. All right, guys, that's it for the YZ for right now. When Alex gets back, we're gonna get this thing buttoned up. I got a couple other things I gotta just button up on the intake and get some fuel in it, get some premix mixed up, and just get it buttoned up again so I can start this. So in the next video, we're gonna get the graphics on, get the thing started, and then we're probably gonna do a test ride. So stay tuned for that, guys. And again, thanks for watching. Check out bbcoffroad.com and bbctrikes.com for trike kits for the YZ250. These things have been super popular. I just haven't done a lot of them in-house. We did one a few years back. I'll try to put a link to the video so you guys can at least see the test ride of that. And man, that thing was a blast. So we've sold hundreds of these kits just all over the place for the YZ250. So we're always trying to improve it. Like I said, with the airbox and some other tweaks that we're doing to the kits now, these things just keep getting better and better. So anyway, guys, I'll see you later.